are from 𝗩𝗢𝗧𝗘 Conservancies Association, and we are seeking your help through participating in the public vote for our project Restoring and Protecting Marungu Hill Area, which has been nominated for funding by 𝗩𝗢𝗧𝗘. And I'm going to take you through the voting process, which is quite simple. Assume you've received the link, whether on email or social media. Click on it. It will take you to the 𝗩𝗢𝗧𝗘 website. Scroll down to find our project, Restoring and Protecting Marungu Hill Area. Click to vote. And then it will ask you to confirm that you're not a robot. Confirm that and cast your votes. It's that simple. Kindly vote right away because the voting period is limited. On behalf of TTWCA, we say thank you in advance.